5826 predicts what Crescendo will look like.
Crescendo seems like it's going to be something that's going to be stacked higher and higher and higher. I'm thinking some kind of a pyramid.
So I think also, same as Dr. Walter, that it's gonna be stacked pretty high because there was obvious clues because the dude was walking up on the stage and they said the stage is yours. So it's obviously saying something about getting higher and like bigger and greater. And so I feel like it's gonna be either like stacking or like something with a bunch of different colors and you have to stack different colors to like, I don't know, get a certain reward. Who knows?
Okay, so I think that this year the game is going to be an obstacle course. I think that we're gonna have to use a tank drive or something along those lines. I think there's gonna be lots of bumps. I don't think there's gonna be any hills, and I think that defense is gonna be huge. I think we're gonna have to climb something. I'm thinking something closer to a rope. And I don't know if we might need a shooter. So yeah.
I think that the Crescendo game is going to be really big game pieces, and then the end game is going to be some sort of flight of stairs, like either a full flight of stairs or just like 2 steps. Either way.
I've seen the teaser videos, but I don't care. I'm sticking with my gears. It's gonna be water games.
I think this year's game is going to be stacking cylinders, and then it's going to have another climb end game.
Some with an obstacle course, climbing, and being loud, just in general, loud.
My prediction for this year is there's definitely going to be balls to pick up.
So this year I think that it's going to be something to do with climbing up because you're taking the stage, you're climbing on the stage, and I also think it might have to do something with color because of the first teaser and there being many flashing colors in the second.
Other teams, if you have any other suggestions or any predictions, let us know. Comment right down below. Let's go.